How to see liked post on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how you can see all of your liked posts on Instagram, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Instagram app on my phone. Now when I'm on the Instagram app, then I will need to click on this tri-bar symbol in the top right corner. After that, I will need to click where it says your activity. When I'm in here, I will need to click where it says interactions. In here, you will be able to see the comments that you have made, the story replies, but also your likes. So click where it says likes. In here, you will be able to see all of your like history that you made on Instagram, and you can even filter by clicking here, and you can sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also apply a starting date and an end date if you want to find a specific post that you liked in a specific time frame. So let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.